TSI Solutions proudly presents VibeMo, the vibration alarm system for gate motors. In the latest versions of some of the manufacturers, they have got a built-in alarm system. Unfortunately, the older models lacked this functionality. VibeMo can be installed on any gate motor, regardless of its manufacturer. An optional wireless link for your alarm system is also available. Get your armed response dispatched immediately if you choose to. Monitor the status of the system with this convenient LED light, and can be armed and disarmed with a magnet switch as shown. Once armed, the system will monitor for any tampering. For demo purposes, the siren times has been set to a short period but can be extended. The vibration sensitivity can also be set. The second alarm is the alarm system being activated. VibeMo can even be set to detect the smallest vibration or tampering on the gate itself. VibeMo will also monitor if the gate is being forcefully opened. The siren will continue to sound while the gate is being opened. VibeMo has been designed to detect when the gate motor is being operated under normal circumstances, and the siren and system will not be activated.
Active.
The LED indicator will turn off, indicating that the system detects normal operation. Contact TSI Solutions for more information on 082 815 4707 or tsisolutions.co.za.